The student I will be conversing about is named Jay, and he epitomizes the need for multi-tiered support systems and the concepts behind the continuum of support. Using the MTSS framework and the framework's approach to teaching and learning uses the overarching theme of the whole child approach and aligns the support systems to benefit all students, as well as the intensified support that Jay needs as one of the few students along the continuum of support. In Jay's case, I've used the Universal Design for Learning and backward planning to support Jay's academic and social-emotional learning. By using alternative assessments and culturally relevant teaching, Jay is given choices to become a part of a learning community and demonstrate learning that can be used as data for continuous improvement.